Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ricci and our vlog is a beauty blog where we talk about skincare, makeup, hair, anything beauty related, and sometimes some lifestyle and inspirational stuff. Anyways, today's video is going to be an unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing the Luxe kit from the Beauty Frenzy shop. This is the first time I'm actually doing something like this and I paid for it, so this isn't a sponsored post and I just want to unbox it in front of you guys. I got it like 3 days ago and I've not opened it at all because I want to do it on my channel and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I thought it'd be very interesting unboxing it. And yeah, I know my face is popping today, like yo, I'm just coming back from a wedding and it was just so much fun and I really love the way I look tonight, so I thought I should just show off a little bit and do the unboxing right now on my channel. So if you're interested in seeing what's in the box, stay tuned. So what is the Luxe kit? A Luxe kit is basically like a pack of products, like a packaging of different types of products. Could be a mixture of makeup and skincare, or just skincare alone, or just makeup alone, but they sell more of skincare and makeup in this particular store, so they mix both, but it's more of skincare obviously because I love skincare that is in this particular deal. And when I saw the deal, I just knew I had to get it because it has a very coveted product in it that I've been dying to try out. So this particular kit is for September. Every month they release the beauty Luxe kit for that particular month. So for the month of September, I saw the photo and I was like, yo, I need to get that, and each of these costs just 10,000 naira. So this inside this Luxe kit is said to have a Drunk Elephant sunscreen, Urban Skin RX rather, Eventone cleansing bar, EOS lip balm, and Bliss marshmallow face mask, and also lastly the Smashbox metallic lipstick, I think. So what really made me buy this is the Urban Skin RX Eventone cleansing bar. There's been so many reviews about it. So here is the packaging. The other side contains my address, which I don't really want on international camera, but here, this is it. So we are opening it right now. Cutting to the chase. I'm not really good with unboxing shit, so I brought my scissors with me. Let's cut it. Let's cut it. 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 Okay. So here it comes in another pink plastic bag. I'm going to get my friend my scissors again and cut this open. I just love unboxing. Like, you know, the amount of restraint it took me to actually not open this while I was waiting for a few days. Like, normally everybody on my Snapchat, they know me. Immediately I get a delivery, I'm like pim all over the place. So here it is, the goodies. Wow, color pop. Wow, I didn't see this one coming, honestly. This is like a pleasant surprise. Oh my god, was it in the image, in the promo image? This is a color pop eyeshadow palette. Wow, my little pony. Wow, I wasn't expecting this. I swear down. Wow, looks nice. You know, I've been dying to buy a new palette, but the Jebu lady in me won't allow me because I look-y tell myself eyeshadows are just scams and they are all basically the same thing. Your Nigerian brand, your Morphe, your Huda Beauty, like if it's a pink eyeshadow, it's pink. If it's a red eyeshadow, it's red. Like, why is it special? Because it's another brand. But anyways, this looks nice. This, thank you, Beauty Frenzy. So that's item number 1. And item number 2, there's a 15 ml Mighty Marshmallow by Bliss. This is nice. Wow, it's pretty small, like 15 ml Drunk Elephant. They share Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen here. And here is the EOS lip balm. You know, I've been seeing this thing everywhere for years. Okay, this is a lip balm, probably a hand cream. Like I told you guys, like what attracted me to the box was actually just one, or maybe let's say two items: the Drunk Elephant and the Obaskin RX. So I wasn't really paying attention to the. It smells really nice. EOS, like I was saying, EOS brands are something I've been seeing all around, especially their lip balms, but I use more of like Maybelline baby lips or random ones that people gift me. So this looks nice. And last but not least, here we have it. There it is. Urban Skin RX Eventone Cleansing Bar 3-in-1 treatment. Yo, this is the selling point of this box, and I'm happy I finally have it here. So we're going to talk about the individual items and maybe do swatches or something. Obviously, the lipstick from Smashbox that was, you know, like advertised wasn't probably available, so they added the Color Pop eyeshadow instead, which is fine. 5 items in the box. So in no particular order, I'm going to be talking about each of them. Firstly, this is Bliss Mighty Marshmallow Bright and Radiant Whip Mask. So this is Bliss is actually a Korean, a K-beauty brand, and I've not really heard about them up until now, so I'm eager to try it out and see what it's about. But I went to their website and read a few, about this particular product, and it says that it actually increases the glow of the skin. The mask, it's pretty thick in consistency, like this, like so. Yeah, it's thick in consistency, like so. It looks like ice cream. Like, this is so cool. So it's just going to apply on my skin like this. Doesn't have a serious scent, which is cool. The less the scent, fragrance, the better. And I saw that it contains some very interesting ingredients. Like, I actually looked at it, like it wasn't such a big deal. It contains marshmallow root extract, contains vitamin C powerhouse blend, olive leaf extract, lime, lemon, pine, eucalyptus oil, zinc, PCA. Like, that's amazing, honestly. And the ingredients are not written here on the pack. I think this is just a sample size anyways, but it looks good. So here we have it, the Mighty Marshmallow Mask. I can't wait to try this out. So this is how it just goes, and I think a little goes a long way, so the size is not a problem. At least I can get up to 10, okay, less than 10, 5 to 10 uses from this if used well, so that's fine. New mask doesn't hurt nobody. Okay, so the next I'm going to be talking about is this Drunk Elephant Sheer Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 15 sunscreen, SPF 30, sorry. So it contains 20% zinc oxide, and I really love this in this particular kit because I've been looking for a physical sunscreen, especially for my face, and I've not been using my Murad sunscreen. Trying this that comes in this packaging is not so bad, and it's going to last me for a while just using this on my face. So a physical sunscreen is like way better than a chemical sunscreen when it comes to skin darkening, which is an issue with we dark skinned people, African skin, because we tan more easily under the sun than we burn. So sometimes while protecting sunburn, you might still tan if you're not using the right ingredients. So having zinc in your sunscreen is one guaranteed way to know that you're not going to get darker. But using like normal sunscreen will protect you from all the obvious sun damaging properties. Well, So this is a good one. And Drunk Elephant, hello. You guys are into skincare, like everybody loves Drunk Elephant, everybody's talking about Drunk Elephant, and they're kind of on the high-ish side. So having one of their products in this kit is like, okay, I use Drunk Elephant too, you know. So wow, I just discovered this about the packaging of this Drunk Elephant. It's actually kind of like dispenses out of the tube like this. Like, this is amazing. I'm not seeing this kind of packaging before. So I think you can open it and lock it like this, you know, open and close, because I was trying to open it all the way and it didn't come out, so it came out like this. So they claim it doesn't leave a white cast even while being a physical sunscreen, which is perfect. Like, in fact, the main reason why everybody runs away from physical sunscreen is this white cast. It's very annoying. Okay, but most of the time they leave, the ones that don't really leave a white cast, just like the mirror, it kind of looks whitish when you first apply it, and then it just disappears after a few minutes. So it's looking a bit ashy, but I mean, compare. Look at that pigment. Melanin is popping, bitch. Okay, sorry. Yeah, like, this is it. Smells like rice or something, cornflakes, and it's not oily as they claim. Non-oily, no white cast. Like, this is sheer, you know. This works. This really works. I'll have this in my bag for my face, and I have my usual body physical sunscreen. Okay, so this is the EOS full size hand cream. My bad. Okay, so this is a full sized one. Most of the products here are travel size, so this is a full size hand cream. I recently run out of my Body Shop hand cream, so this is working. This is good. And my Long Reach hand cream is a bit, wow, this lotion just betrayed me and splashed into my eyes. Anyways, my Long Reach hand cream is quite big, so I don't like carrying it down. It's like a full 100 ml. How many people get 100 ml in as a hand cream? So I like to keep it at home, but when I'm moving around, like during the day, I like to have a smaller one, which was the work of my Body Shop. So having this is just cute. Like, just look at having this in your bag. Imagine having this in your bag. Like, this is a cute packaging. So this is my new bag partner. You are going straight into my bag and it smells nice. It smells really nice. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is the Urban Skin RX, the star of the show. Eventone cleansing bar. So this one, it's always that I got reports, so I saw reviews about it coming with a Kojic sponge, so to speak. So here is it. This is what it looks like. I think this is the sponge you use to wash your face, and yeah, like, this is an all-in-one. So they said it's a 3-in-1 treatment. It brightens, it improves uneven skin tone, yeah, and yeah, I'm reading some of the instructions here. You can, you know, just wash your face normally, or you actually leave it on. I think this is just like black soap to me, because this is how we usually use black soap. Like, you leave it on for it to treat your face a bit before you rinse it off. So the most important and the most interesting part about this product, the Urban Skin RX Eventone cleansing bar, is the fact that it contains so many nice ingredients in one. Like, oh my god, I'm seeing Kojic acid, Arbutin, alpha Arbutin, not just Arbutin, Azelaic acid. Like, how many people formulate with Azelaic acid? This is impressive. And Niacinamide, vitamin A, that's retinol, vitamin A, there's retinol in this. And there's also L-glutathione. My dear ones, like, I can't wait. Like, if this shit doesn't work for me, I'm going to blow the place up. Like, I'm going to go off. Like, this has to work. Like, Urban Skin RX They seem really cool, really nice, and they are melanin expert. They proclaim themselves to be melanin experts, so they know what's going on with our skin. And I really look to try more of their products, but I'm going to make this a good start that I got for a very good deal. So I'm going to try this out. I think you have to wet it because it doesn't even like transfer to the hand at all. And it contains coconut oil. I think I saw it there. Palm kernel oil, safflower seed oil. It's sodium hydroxide based, lime. So it's a soap basically. Black tea, witch hazel. Oh my god. This is it. Like this is a killer, considering the CV that I'm seeing here. It looks good. Let's just hope it works wonders on my skin. Last but not least, this is the Little Coney Color Pop Shadow. Here, this is actually cool. Like honestly, I actually improvised today. Like I didn't use eyeshadow today, so I just used highlighter. Yeah, I'm not with any of my shimmery shadows, but I had like these matte ones that I used for the outer corners and stuff and the crease. So I'm kind of swatching it. I'm not really the swatching type, so excuse my swatches. I'm just freestyling, and I really wasn't expecting an eyeshadow in this. An eyeshadow is what I need. I'm so happy I bought this box. The colors are so different. Like I don't have these colors in any of my palettes, which is cool. These are really nice colors. I'm going to definitely be carrying this around. I can see the future. Wow, they are pigmented though. They are so cute. I'm sure you guys like it. See, it even blends with my clothes kind of. See that blue? Like I love blue. Like that's my favorite color. This is so nice. I'm going to try them out. I didn't swatch everything anyway, so nobody got time, but hello. So Beauty Frenzy Luxe kit for September has been unboxed officially by Honey Ricci. So here is my hand like few minutes after applying the sunscreen, and it looks pretty normal, not ashy, so that's a good sign. I can definitely use this on my face without looking crazy. Compare and contrast. Sorry about the swatches on this hand, but you get the drift. This is my September Luxe kit. There are many deals. Like they have a very nice one for October. People have begun to order, and you guys can get yours November, December, whenever. So here is a little box of goodies unboxed. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to contact me in the comment section, on my social media at _honeyricci_. I have a beauty store. I sell ordinary products. I make organic skincare products for that, flawless, even toned skin, bouncing skin. I do skincare consultations. Just let me know what you need. I got you. Okay, so my business page is at Honey Ricci Beauty on Facebook and Instagram. So you check out like our products, our services, and all that we do there. Like it's loaded with information. And always send us a DM if you want to order anything. So thank you guys so much, and I hope this video has been helpful one way or the other. Maybe at least you were trying to get one of these products and you've seen somebody that actually has some samples, and I'm going to definitely update you. This is an ongoing blog, an ongoing beauty blog, so one way or the other they are going to come up in my videos and my skincare routine. I'm going to add them to my routine actively and make you guys see how well they work one way or another. So stay tuned if you are interested in seeing more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Hope you enjoyed this video and it was fun. Thank you.